Haven't turned this on in a while. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. I gotta do some stuff on this thing, I think, today. And I dug this one out. That one I hadn't seen the light of day in a year or so. That's a sweet truck. I need to do something with that. There's a lot of things I need to do. I need to fix that. I need to do that. And then I gotta do something with this. It's leaking transmission fluid. Guess tightening the pan didn't help. Mercedes. Well, I kind of got out of the mode of camera and stuff, running the camera. I need to get back into that. The trouble with this car is this plug up in there be leaking. See there? If you don't believe it, look at the drips. So I went and bought a new one. It cost $15.99. Must be a common problem because I had it in stock. And I'm fitting to put it in. I can't work on stuff very long today because I gotta go to a guy I know's Redneck Rumble or something he's doing. Sounds like fun, right? And then out here we got cars everywhere, and Mrs. Heavy Chevy's washing the truck because it needs it. That's what we're going to drive to the Redneck deal. Right, babe?
Right.
She didn't want to do it. She said it was just going to get dirty again, but...
Well, sitting out here, yeah, it does, but I didn't know you were driving.
Anyway, she's doing a fine job, at least so far. Alright, so I better put this in. Oh, and I went and got my truck inspected, the Dodge. That's $10 in North Carolina for an old Dodge diesel. Just so you know. Of course, what would transmission work be without dumping fluid all over the floor? According to the video I watched, it was only supposed to leak a cup, but that's about a quart. I wonder if that transmission ain't over full. Somebody obviously was messing around there doing something. Sawdust. The poor man's floor dry. Works pretty good, really. I believe the leak is stopped. Before it would weep red right along here. Right quick. But now it's not. Which is a good thing. I think that transmission's over full, but we're fitting to find out. I gotta put some bolts and something in here because somebody didn't put them all in, but let me see if I can find some. And so this little deal don't fall out. In this particular automobile, it has a dipstick tube, but no dipstick. But you can buy a dipstick for about $35 at the parts store. You don't leave the dipstick in it. You put that little plug right there back in the dipstick tube when you're done. Genius. Of course, I dropped the dipstick right in the dirt, but I think it's good now. I think so. Alright, we're going to take it for a test drive. You're going to have to video me driving a Slk320. But first I'm going to go wash my hands. Look out now. That's good for me. My knees in the dash.
No, you can't even see the pedals. Don't know if you can see that, how bad the headlights are hanging. It's right there and right there. I'm gonna try to fix that.